After an absolutely busy as day today, there's no better than making that one shine with that. So yeah, get yourself some mild deep flare. Ceramic detailer is banging on toolboxes, by the way, guys. So if you are looking after your investment, which is actually what it is, yeah, give it a little spruce up every night. And I just want to bring you in for this one as well. I am well proud of this, by the way, and I say it to everyone. Here we go. You ready? You ready? You ready? So this is after, and like I say, it's been an awful day. Whoa. Super proud of that. So guys, down in the comments, you may like what you see. So a variety of sockets, and I've zoomed in loads and all. Look, that's how much of a day it's been. I'm actually a dealer tech with dirty arms, right? Is that a thing? But yeah, I've zoomed in so you can see a little bit. They're good. FDX sockets, cheap ones, but I do have cheap sockets, guys. I've had people in the comments say, oh, you only buy snap-on. No, look, Draper set there. I can pick out stuff that's not snap-on. Oh, not snap-on. US Pro. See? What works, guys? Whatever works. I've been Rob. Let me know in the comments if you want to see out. And definitely be getting yourself some of these. 15% off as well. I'll put it in the comments. Discount code for Mild Deep and get yourself 15% off. Anyway, I've taken up enough of your time now, so top drawer, love you, bye.